man. This like shit. Oh yeah, I'm definitely hurrying up and finishing mine. Jesus. And this is detuned.
Yeah, absolutely.
We're off. I'm definitely finishing the car. Definitely finishing the car. This is gonna be so much fun on them Georgia back roads and them Connecticut road. I'm in New York with it. I guarantee. Wait, do people steal these cars up here?
I got 4 and I leave them unlocked. Now everybody knows.
They don't know. If they know, somebody taking this.
Yeah.
I'm fairly certain of it. Thanks for the ride, man.
Absolutely. Glad to have you.
Tell me your Instagram page again.
Hit me Project Veronica _E30. I'm an open book. Anything you want to know, any questions?
He always selling some shit too.
Yeah.
If you need E30 parts,
Yeah,
he got it.
Unfortunately.
He got it. If you need E30 stuff, it's just like, I don't know where he got it from, but he got it.
Yeah.
But good looking out, man. This is epic. I'm still trying to figure out how the hell to put this back in here. I want to put a roll cage in mine, but I need a new one of these. But
I get you one.
See what I'm talking about? He always selling something. We talk to you later, people.